What's going on, everybody? Taylor White with CK Supply, and we are here at the DenaliWeld booth. I have Joe with me. Joe, If you want to tell everybody what you do for Denali and what you guys are excited to bring to Fabtech.
You got it, Taylor. I'm General Manager for DenaliWeld USA. We're based out of Elgin, Illinois, with our good friends over at CK Supply. We're honored to have a couple new products that we just came out with that I'd like to talk to you about. First of which is the G Series 500 watt, right behind you over there. This is the G Series. It comes with the exact same torch as our bigger units. So for your hobbyists or people that want to experience welding, laser welding, comparatively to the bigger machines, it's got the same torch, so it's got the same feel. The price point is very aggressive at $6,000. It comes complete, ready to weld. Add nitrogen gas, your favorite wire, and you're welding.
What kind of wattage is this putting out?
500. 500 watts. So to weld up to 3.5 millimeters.
Perfect, perfect. All right, well, what else you got?
Okay, next thing we have, this is our Workhorse. This is our Jet 2000 watt. This is our Chevy 350 of the entire fleet. We sell more of these than anything else. This machine is capable of welding up to 1/4 inch, all the way down to 0.5 millimeter.
Yeah.
We can weld pop cans with this.
Yeah, so, and this is the machine we have at our facility in St. Louis. So
correct.
We definitely have some experience using this machine.
This is a great machine. It comes with everything you need to weld. Add gas, 223 phase, single phase power, and you're ready to weld.
Yeah, awesome.
Next thing we have is our 3000. This here is our 3000 water-cooled DenaliWeld. This machine will weld up to 8 millimeter. It's got 100% duty cycle, being air-cooled. This is a great workhorse machine. We sold these to several car washes. They're doing the 1/4 inch stainless arches for the blowers. Great machine with a double wire feed.
That's perfect.
Next thing
I'm also seeing you got a Cobot arm on here.
We've signed up with Fanhook, so we're comparable to most of your major brands, your favorite major brand Cobots. We're in Waskawa's booth. We've got Fanhook here. We've got Rainbow in the corner. And we've got our own arm that we just came up with, which I'll show you a little bit in the near future. Next thing we have, this is brand new to the show. This is our Mopa. This is actually a 300 watt. So what the Mopa does, it's got the gas that comes out, the shielding gas, to protect the lens from anything coming in. But it gives a different pattern and takes material. Typical laser is like a sword, point of a sword. This one is like your finger. It'll take the material and take whatever's on top, like wood for varnish. It'll take that off and not hurt the wood. This is great for automotive use. What we've done with this is for car detail shop or body shops rather, it'll clean the metal off or the paint off without hurting the metal itself.
Yeah.
This is a great machine, brand new. We just debuted it. In fact, we sold it already. A gentleman redoes churches, those big cathedral doors. Right. He's using this to take the varnish off the doors. So this machine is already sold. He's going to pick it up after the show.
And this is off of the Falcon.
Yes. Yeah. Same thing. 500 watt.
So that's pretty impressive. I know lasers are pretty powerful, and etching is, you get a lot of etching when you do stuff. Right. So for it to not damage the wood and everything like that, very impressive.
Exactly. Next thing we have is this is brand new for the show as well. This is our 3000 air-cooled. So you can see the difference between the water-cooled and the air-cooled. Much more compact, smaller machine, but you don't have the big chiller. Duty cycle typically is not as aggressive as the water-cooled. You get 8 hours on the water-cooled. Typically on this you'll get 4 to 6. But that's constant runtime.
Yeah, that's a lot of time.
Yeah, it's rare that you're going to run a welder for 4 to 6 hours straight.
Absolutely.
But you can see by the compact size, it's more aggressive, it's more portable, you can move it around, and again, the same capabilities, you can weld up to 8 millimeter.
And you got more power,
right?
At 3,000 watts.
Exactly.
Perfect.
So we just designed and built our own Cobot.
So this is your guys'
our Cobot
machine?
Yes. It's brand new. It's 100% compatible with our machine, much like the others, but this is our unit. It lists about 30,000.
Awesome.
So it's a great entry level, comparatively, just a great all-around machine.
Perfect. Well, I would love for you to take me through and kind of how you would program something, and I'd love to feel out the resistance in that arm. Everybody's a little different with that.
You got it.
Yeah, let's check it out.
This is our new Cobot. We literally just got our hands on it a week ago. Put in a manual mode. It is very easy to move around. The more input you get, the more it's going to fight you. If you just really move it around, really easy, you can get in there. You can get into the part. You can get really close.
So it's got like a driver feedback.
Driver feed. Yeah, you can try it right now. Just put your hand around it like this, and you just very little.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
Yeah, and as you start fighting it more, putting more input, you can feel the feedback gets increased.
It's still very smooth though.
Yes.
I've tried a couple with that direct feedback, and this is probably the smoothest one I've felt so far.
Yeah, yeah. Some of them fight you the whole way through it. You can't get it in that precise moment or position that you need. So on some of the other cobots, the way I would do it, I would use that to get it in a close position, and then I would manually
get that
move
fine-tuned
to fine-tune it. But with this one, you can really do whatever you need it to do by getting in there really nice.
That is awesome. That is very awesome. And for that price point, I mean, would you say $30,000 for the arm?
Yeah, $30,000 for the arm. We can be fully integrated. I don't have this set up right now, fully integrated with this. So we're trying to do a package where somebody who's in the stainless steel food industry, they're just welding on ferrules, or they're doing tees all day long, they can chuck everything up in there, use the Cobot, and do all their welding.
So tell me a little bit about the software. How do you go about programming something?
So the program, the software, everything is, you can drop, you want to add a move in here, you can just come over, drop that move in there, move the arm into position, record it, and go to your next step. So it is, and then if you want to drop one out, you can delete it. You can also, if you want to pause one, you can disable it and put in another move. It is very user-friendly. I don't have a lot of time on it right now.
Right.
But I was able to program this thing up in about 10 minutes, never seen this software before.
That's awesome.
I do not like teaching off the puck because that movement, you're always fighting it to get to fine tune it.
Right.
So I got in a habit of programming everything off the tablet. I think with this one, as easy as you can move it, you can easily set it up 100% on the puck.
That's awesome. And so right now, are we doing fusion welds, or are we able to do the wire feeding as well?
I don't have the wire feeding hooked up. We're just showing off the Cobot, and I'm just doing
and
fusion
these are
welds.
some of the samples.
Yes.
I mean, these are awesome. If you want to check those out. Beautiful, beautiful work.
So we've been working on this for several months, and we will have an updated program, and we'll be fully integrated with our machines.
And so if you didn't get this arm, you got the Fanic arm, are we using the Fanic software?
Fanic software,
Fanic software.
And we're going to be by October, we'll be fully integrated with the Fanic arms. Yaskawa, you should go over to the Yaskawa booth. They got our machine set up over there.
Okay.
Welding up stainless steel with their arm. And so we're, got a good relationship with Yaskawa, good relationship with Fanic. We have a rainbow arm over in our booth too.
Yeah, well, for an emerging, laser, and now we got robots and cutting tables, you guys getting in with those big names, that's a good deal.
Yeah.
So that's awesome.
We've been having a great time. The show's been awesome. A lot of interest in machines. We're going to turn you on, get into a lot of contacts that came through the show, and it's been wonderful.
Perfect.
Just wonderful.
Well, Joe, we always like stopping by our
you
partners.
As well. Great to see
and,
you, man.
We hope you guys are enjoying your show.
We are.
We love having your machine down in our facility
Absolutely.
for everybody to check out. So
if you're down in Missouri, go talk to Taylor. Get a machine.
Yeah, we'll get you in there. So.
Right on.
All right, Joe. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.